Nothing. Oh, I'm all alone. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Oh, it's horrible. There's something grisly crawled out of the marsh and crept into my lounge today. Help! Hedgehog, that was a stupid and silly thing to do. You gave me a shock. I'll lock the doors. Yes, I'll lock the doors for safety. My gran always used to say, you can't be too safe. She used to lock the doors and shutter the windows so that nobody could break in. Mind you, her house was swallowed by an earthquake. Shame.